Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Smart Assistant or Smart Email using AI tools with Gmail. So I will be on my Gmail and make sure you will have logged in. And example, I will just tap on it my this email and I want to reply on it. Now I will just less time and I want to just write it the quickly. So what gonna do? You will just double tap for slash two times and here you will see the brainstorm ideas. So I will just tap on it and here you will just remove it previous and you will just give them a prompt like write reply on this regarding email and just simply tap on it to enter. So here you will see it will just quickly write smart email. So in this way you will just using tool with Gmail like this and you will just write it for just free and you will just help out to write a professional email. In this way you will just use this smart assistant which is in built in Gmail. You will just tap on it, simply just double slash. So here are like all the AI tools. It will be just help you within a second. So there are many options, so we just try it. So in this way you just have to use smart email or smart assistant like this using AI tool. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.